In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable keyboard vibration or haptic on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and there hit on sounds and haptics. There scroll down for a bit until you find keyboard feedback, hit on that, and now there you can set up keyboard feedback. Now you can enable their sounds, but I don't like it, and also there you can enable haptic. Now haptic is enabled, and now I can open up some messenger and there test how it works. And now while I'm typing a text I feel some little feedback vibration from my device, and that's how it works, guys. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.